you can earn 5 free stocks. Each stock is valued between $9 and $1,000. 5 free stocks, 9 times 5 is $45. For free? We gotta do that.
I'm rich, bitch!
What's up, YouTube? Thank you for watching my video. Please hit the like button, share, and we're just going to get this free money. If you don't have Webull, I'm going to leave a link in the description. If you download it, make an account, and deposit $100 that you don't have to spend, just deposit, they'll give you 2 free stocks. But I'm going to make a deposit to get 5 free stocks because I'm already a member. Just go to deposit, 2,000, transfer to Webull, confirm. Submitting. Make another deposit. Nope. I don't need another deposit. I'm already a customer. I've already gotten free stocks from them before. This time they said they're going to give me 5. Let's see. Maybe we'll go read a little more about that. Let's see. 5 free stocks for depositing $2,000. The minimum value of the stock is $9. 9 times 5 is 45. But I have an account and my wife has an account, so we're going to get 10 free stocks. We're going to get a minimum of $90 free, and we have to leave it in there until 4/17. It's 51 days to make $90 for free. $90 is the smallest amount we can collect from this, which, if you're into math, is 2.2% in 51 days for just leaving my money in there. I don't think I'm going to buy any stocks because I don't use this app very much, but I'm going to take the free money they're giving. Why wouldn't you take the free money? So this is going to be part 1. I made the deposit. Part 2 will be what free stocks are we going to get, which I'll have to record my free stocks and my wife's free stocks. We'll get 10 free stocks out of the deal. And then on 4/18, maybe 4/19, give it an extra day, make sure everything clears, I'm just going to take my money back out because I had other plans for that $2,000 that I'm still going to do. This is just a 51-day window where they're going to give me 5 stocks for holding my money for 51 days. I just can't pass that up. So please leave a comment on the video if you have questions. Use the link if you have any questions on how to open your free account and get your 2 free stocks. Leave a comment. It's really easy. I mean, this is like a 5-minute video maybe. It takes less time than that probably to get free money. I just have to wait now. I did all the work in this video. You watched me do all the work to get these 5 free stocks. So I'll see you on the next one to see what stocks we get. Thank you for watching.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit.